Healy. One of the greatest inventors of all time, Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world, once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Say you are listening to the radio in your car and do not like the music that you are hearing. What do? You change the frequency. What many people fail to realize is that we can take charge of our frequencies in the exact same way. We tend to reduce our body's anatomy down to a simplified version that consists of only flesh and blood. But everything on this planet, animals, plants, and water, are made of atoms, which produce, emit, and receive energy, which operates at a specific frequency. Everything. All our tissues, cells, organs, emotions, and thought patterns have their own unique electromagnetic fields, as do allergens, viruses, or bacteria. All things have a frequency, including you, the human body. It has been shown that a normal person has a frequency of 62 to 72 megahertz. When the body drops below this frequency, we begin to get into illness and disease states. For example, if our frequency drops to 58 megahertz, then we are likely to get a cold or flu. If our frequency drops to 42 megahertz, we become susceptible to cancer within the body. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death. Healy is an ingenious invention designed to provide frequencies that support your health, body, and well-being, with an intuitive app that puts the future into your hands. Welcome to Healy World. To give you an overview of what Healy can do for you, and to make sure that you get what you really need, we have put together a collection of frequencies in pages and modules in the form of different editions, so you can find your Healy. The Healy Analysis app, Resonance, and Aura models. With the analysis feature of the resonance, doctors, practitioners, and many others can support their clients or patients if necessary. If you are with your friends or at home, you can activate the app, but we recommend working with a trained practitioner for the analysis. Another useful tool in Resonance is the Aura module. Healy lets you analyze the energy distribution of your 7 chakras and can point out suitable ways of optimization.
You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart. Take me to a new horizon. I've never known a joy so vibrant. Your love is where I found my life in. You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart.
Hi, and welcome to Healy World. A wave of smart wearable devices have already entered the market to monitor everything from fitness and health to the physical environment. These tiny devices can track vital signs, sleep, emotions, stress, breathing, movement, and send or receive messages and alerts through text, audible sounds, and even colors. As with any connected device, this information is then shared via wireless signals, such as Bluetooth to a smartphone. Healy is a smart device conceived in cooperation with doctors and practitioners that uses frequencies to stimulate specific areas of the body. Designed to support you during the day, Healy can increase your vitality, help you stay fit, and bioenergetically regenerated in less than 21 minutes. No more tracking, just carrying. Healy can be used as a medical device for pain treatment, depression, anxiety, and sleep disorders. Unfortunately, some applications are not recognized by conventional medicine due to lack of evidence, and the fact that we are ahead of our time. Anyway, Healy offers you individual programs that can support you in the following areas: pain, psyche, sleep, gold cycle, mental balance, job, skin, learning, fitness, beauty, meridians, chakras, bioenergetic balance, protection programs. How do you feel today?
The Healy Editions. Small, light, and friendly, Healy can give you bioenergetic support to help your body and improve your day. To give you an overview of what Healy can do for you and to make sure that you get what you really need, we have put together a collection of frequencies in pages and modules in the form of different editions so you can find your Healy. Healy Gold. Healy Gold includes Healy hardware, the Nuno Nina Gold Cycle, and a program of your choice. The frequencies of the Nuno Nina Gold Cycle can be used in many ways. For bioenergetic support and prevention, for optimal energy balance, for recovery, well-being, and relaxation.
Healy Holistic Health.
Universal Health consists of a Healy, the Nuno Nina Gold Cycle, and 8 other program pages for Psyche, Bioenergetic Balance 1, Bioenergetic Balance 2, Mental Balance, Meridians 1, Meridians 2, Sleep, and Skin. Healy
Holistic Health Plus.
Everything's in here. Healy hardware with more than 120 programs, Healy Universal Health, and 6 other frequency pages for learning, fitness, job, beauty, chakras, and protection programs. The Healy Analysis app, Resonance, and Aura models. With the analysis feature of the resonance, practitioners and many others can support their clients or patients if necessary.